Good morning. Today is Monday, November 3rd, 2025. I'm here at the Florida Yacht Club, and this is a before video or an inspection video of Sojourn. Gonna see how long it could possibly take. Okay, so there is a lot of growth, but it looks like the growth that's on the hull itself will come off easy, and I'm fairly certain this has prop speed on it, so it should be easy to get the growth off the running gear. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it. I'll document the time, and we'll go from there.